Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, ran into some issues, which we always run into issues, so it's normal. But ended up, we had a guy message us on our Facebook page and it was like, hey, do me a favor and roll that motor over and see what you got for cylinder pressure, because it's real sluggish in the first 60 foot. It looks, as you can see in the video, yeah, it's horrible. So rolled the motor over, lo and behold, this thing ain't got the compression we thought it did. So your boy screwed up on some math. I didn't carry a 1 somewhere or something. So yeah, luckily the guy that told me about the cylinder pressure also has a camshaft he wants me to try. So I'm gonna go pick that up here in a little bit, jump to the time lapse, and we're gonna get this thing torn apart and get the new cam in it, and hopefully it fixes our issue. I know it's not gonna run as good as we thought it did, or thought it was going to. Yeah, was going to. But hopefully it runs better and we can run some mid to high 12s on motor, and then we can put a bunch of nitrous on it and see what it does with that. But right now we just want the car to 60 foot, something better than 2 flat. So anyways, let's jump in the time lapse.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, we just now picked up the camshaft, sat around and bullshitted with our buddy.
About to go home and give the car the shaft.
Yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, it's all back together now. See if it runs better now. Say it runs a little better.
Well, how was that?
Launched a lot harder.
Yeah, that sucker gripped. We don't even know what the tire pressure is, so they've been aired up for 2 days. To be honest, the sound difference, I can't.
It still sounds nasty.
It still sounds nasty. I can't tell the difference.
But I mean, from being, seat of the pants dyno, it felt better. But I mean, it rose to $4,000 a whole lot faster.
About to buy a car right off the showroom floor.
This is what happens when you're waiting on them to do finance paperwork. The 3 boys go and fall asleep.
Seriously, this is great. Like my first car sale.
Here you go, guys. We went and bought another mango.
All right, you got both keys, right? Awesome. You guys have an amazing day.
We also gave a guy his first car sale. Give us a thumbs up, bud. All right, let's head home.
It's quiet.
Yeah, I know.
Quiet.
Oh yeah, the blue speakers in your door,
I saw that.
so we can blare offensive rap music in the pits.
I got you.
Yeah, I got you. How long are you gonna fuck with them pretzels?
Well, I fucked up tearing the thing off. So, you gotta get them open. And I didn't bring a fucking knife either. These pretzels are making me thirsty.
Oh, God damn.
Good old Seinfeld reference for you boys and
Making
girls.
me thirsty. Yeah, we definitely need a microphone for these GoPros so we can have good audio.
Alright, that's fine. I didn't want to fucking eat you either.
No pretzels for you.
Nah, fuck you. I'm getting these sons of bitches open.
Pretzels 1, Ryan 0.
That didn't fucking.
Ray! Oh my god.
No! Go away! What is this? Oh, bro. Oh yeah, it dropped to 75 degrees outside. Holy raindrops! God! Yeah, my car's getting wet. Oh, the dart is soaked. No! Son of a... Ah!
I think I'm just on the group.
Oh, it's coming in the door.
I think I'm on the group page.
Official outlaw dragway.
Well, we made it. Doesn't really look like there's anybody here. That rain cloud looks nasty. It has been following us the whole freaking way. Look at that thing. Look at that. And it goes above my car. And that guy's holding his tent down. Yeah, this is a great day for the racetrack, guys. Wonderful. I don't know where we're going, but we're looping. We're looping. And somebody is a cranky baby. That is a nasty storm cloud. I just want y'all to look at that. Look at that cloud. Look at that. Yeah, no. That is a nasty cloud.
We should went to a racetrack we always go to.
Well, guys, we made it to the official outlaw dragway of Sallisaw, and now it's raining.
Yeah.
Literally just got here and cracked the straps on the back of the car, got the carb cap off, and it started raining.
Radar app that I use.
I think I didn't roll the windows down on the car. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good. There's a big little storm cell right there. So now we wait. At least we got out of the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's my wife. Crap. For the love of God, stop raining! Alright guys, so we're kind of on a no prep. We'll see. You ready? I'm gonna go left.
Left lane?
Yeah. Alright guys, got done with the first pass. Car actually 60 foot at 173. Kind of happy. Only went 804.9 and it's raining. Great.
Somebody's got their windows down on that avalanche.
Oh shit.
And their doors are open down there. And the Ford's windows
Woo!
down.
Whoa! Holy crap!
Funny, the Ford's got their windows down too.
That sucks. It sucks to be them right now. Alright guys, no sooner did I jump on the phone to try to do a a rundown of how my pass went.
My head's
Can
getting
you
wet.
pull?
My head's getting wet.
Can you pull that chair?
Oh, it's running.
Watch out, Ryan. Watch out.
Oh, it's dripping.
Yeah.
My boxing's on.
We have developed leaks. Oh, my Lanta.
Where's the Camaro?
Bro, down at the end of the track.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, they just ran. I feel bad because there's like 5 people in a golf cart trying to push that Camaro back.
And the windows on their nice Avalanche are all down. All 4 of them.
Yeah.
No chance are waterproof in those things. It's fine.
Look, leather.
It's never a dull moment with us.
Leather seat.
I did not even think of rain today when I woke up and said, let's load up and go.
I did.
I didn't.
I knew it was gonna rain.
I didn't know it was gonna rain.
I knew it was gonna rain. Yesterday was the only day it wasn't supposed to rain.
Yeah, we chose to go to a racetrack when it was raining.
You
I
chose.
That was a mistake.
Stop now.
Yeah, it stopped raining.
Dirt all over me.
Put shit back in there.
All right, guys. That's the second rain out. So yeah, they're calling it for the day. We got one pass in.
For a freaking 2-hour drive.
Hey, it was nice scenery.
So now we gotta load everything up and go home. So that's probably gonna do it for the video. Car went faster than it ever has. 173 60 foot and 804.9 to the 8th at 85 mile an hour. But that's good mile an hour for 80.
I mean, rather than spinning, it left fine.
Oh no, it spun. It spun to about 100 foot out,
We
but
can't go home now.
anywho.
That's what I said. I said it left good, except it was spinning.
Yeah.
Why we can't go home
Yeah.
now?
Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all later.